Today's topic I'm taking respiratory system in human. I already taught you what is respiratory system in human being. For respiration, respiratory system present. Okay. And some organ which help in respiration. Some accessory organ. What are diaphragm, thorax, and muscles help in respiration. Are you getting my point? Listen, respiratory system consists of first part is called nostril. What is the name? Nostril. Okay, a nostril, this is external nostril, outer opening. Nostril open in nasal cavity. So the second part, nasal cavity. Yes, beta. In nasal cavity, what is present? When you check your nasal cavity, you will found air present. Air present. What is the use of air? Stop dust particle and germs. Okay. In nose, mucus gland present. Secrete mucus. That is liquid coming from your nose. Are you getting my point? What is the function? Stop dust particle and germs. And third point, air temperature change according to body temperature in nasal cavity. Okay, so air entered by external nostril into nasal cavity. Nasal cavity, air temperature change, germs and dust particles stop. Nasal cavity open with the help of internal nostril into pharynx. So next part, with the help of internal nostril open in pharynx. Okay, I already taught you about the pharynx. You know about pharynx. Pharynx opening is called glottis. Glottis covered by epiglottis. Food pipe and windpipe close. So what happened? When we are taking food and talking, what happened? Sometimes food enter in windpipe. So what happened? We have coughing till food particles remove from windpipe. So what is the use of glottis? Covered windpipe so food cannot enter in windpipe. Okay, so pharynx open in glottis and glottis open in larynx. Larynx is, what is the larynx? Voice box. Voice box. Larynx is also called voice box. Because when air come in pharynx, enter in larynx. In larynx, beta, what is present? Vocal cord present in larynx. What is present? Vocal cord. It is a vocal cord, cartilaginous vocal cord. When air come in larynx, vocal cord vibrate. So voice form, voice produce. How can we speak? With the help of larynx. In male human being, larynx appear in the form of atoms of apple. Larynx externally visible in man, in human male person, round structure में. In female, it is not visible, but in male it is visible, and on that time it is called the Adam's apple. It is called Adam's apple. Okay. Larynx open in trachea. Okay. Trachea, tube-like structure. Yes. In trachea, what is present? Cilia present inside the wall of trachea. In trachea, cilia present. Cilia continuously move and transfer, that type movement is there. Mucus gland is also present here. Mucus gland. Secrete mucus. So what happened? Air come pharynx to larynx, glottis, larynx in trachea. So some dust particle stop in nasal cavity. When air come, continuously cilia move. So this movement of cilia transfer dust particle and microbes, pushing the dust particle and microbes in anterior side, nasal cavity side. Are you getting my point? What is the use of cilia present in trachea and mucus gland? Stop the dust particle and cilia push dust and microbes anterior side in nasal cavity. In trachea, C-shaped cartilaginous rings present. In trachea, C-shaped cartilaginous rings present. So trachea does not collapse. Are you getting it? Collapse. When we fill balloon with air and again remove air, what you will find? Balloon membrane stick. Collapse. So when we want to again transfer air, it is not possible. We will rub and remove or separate membrane. Same here. When cartilaginous ring absent, trachea collapse. So how air move? Are you getting my point? That's why in trachea, cartilaginous rings are present. So trachea does not collapse. Every time open. So continuously air pass from that. Okay. And in trachea divide into two branches called bronchi. Bronchi divide into many branches called bronchiole. Okay, and bronchiole change into sac-like structure. This is called alveoli. These all are surrounded in lungs, present in lungs. Okay, alveoli is here and bronchi change into the sac-like structure. This is the alveoli. Okay, now listen me. In bronchi, cilia is present. Okay, mucus gland present. But in bronchiole or alveoli, dipole, dipole, dipole methyl lecithin protein present. What I'm saying you, in trachea, cilia, mucus gland, in bronchi, cilia, mucus gland, for pushing germs or dust particle, anterior side. But in alveoli or bronchiole, special protein present. So, trachea or alveoli does not collapse. What is that? That is dipole methyl lecithin. Okay, it is present. This is the protein present in bronchiole or alveoli. Listen, alveoli are present in lungs. In alveoli, thin membrane or blood capillaries network is present. large surface area. So easily exchange of gases take place in blood. O2 go inside, CO2 come out. Listen, in human being, one pair lungs is present. Pinkish, balloon-like structure. Okay, and lungs is surrounded by two membranes. Two membranes are there called the pleura. And in between the membrane, fluid is present. Pleural fluid. What is the use of pleural fluid? Are you getting my point? So, when we fall down, lungs protect from injury. Pleural fluid protect from injury. When we fall down and the jerk come, so lungs are not damaged. Outer membrane, two membrane, pleural membrane, outer or inner membrane. Liquid is a pleural side, protect from the injury. So the lungs membrane is not stick together. Okay, so in human being, two lungs are there. Yes, of how respiration process take place in human being, I will take tomorrow.